Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to become a Taobao agent, or you can call it discount agent. You can make coupon or you can earn money from Taobao app. For this you have to go through the app store. If you have a Apple device, you have to go to the app store and write CHANGQINLIU. This app. From this app you can easily make coupon or you can earn money from it. So let's download this app. Let me tell you one thing. If you are Android user, you can't find this app in the Play Store. If you have a Chinese Android phone, you can easily find this app for searching the Chinese written here. I will write the name in the description below, or I will also add a link where you can find the apps. So let's open the app. uh, okay, now here's the thing. After opening the app, uh, you have to give a referral code. Without a referral code you cannot even use the app. This is the main rule of this app. If you use an Android phone, after opening the app, that app will ask for an upgrade. You can upgrade your app or easily you can cancel it, whatever you want. So let me write my referral code. You guys can use this referral code to use this app. Without this referral code, you just can't open or use this app. You just write CEDIURV. Okay, now let's continue. The continue button is right here. Okay, let's continue. Okay, I have put my referral code in this app. Now I have to go to the profile. Then you have to open an account first. Okay, for the account you can go the left top button. Here's the referral code. You can see, you just put, and there's another written here. It's go to account. So after go to the account, here's the login page. Here you can, if you have a account, you have to log in from user ID and the password. If you're a new user, so you have to go to the this button that you can see in the right here, the right corner. Just go there. After that, you have to put your phone number. Here you have to put your phone number. So if you live in China, you have to give a Chinese phone number. Then after phone giving a phone number, let me write my phone number, but I can't open a new account because I already have a account. You just put your phone number, then go here, and here's the red button. You have to click it for code. That code will be sent to your phone number. Then after getting the code, you just type the code here, and you have to give a password. You can also see the password that you write in here. After that you have to press the red button. Then boom, you just open the account. Then you can use your Taobao discount app, like me. Let me show you another thing, how you can use the apps, because I already have the account. So just I just want to log in my existing account, and then I will show you how to you make coupon or uh, you can how to you can earn money. So I download the app again for you guys, and then I will log into my account. The app is downloading. um, Here I just open the account. I just open the apps. Okay, I allow and skip. See, I already have the account, so I just go here and put my account here. Yes, I just log into my account, and here you can see I have earned a lot of money from this app. So now the app is login. You can see there are so many products that you can buy in so cheap price, such as this blender machine. You can see the original price of this blender is 5999, but in this coupon app you can just buy it from 299, so it's very cheap. You can you can just press the middle button that's in the middle. Just press this middle button, and then the Taobao app will be open automatically. And let's wait. See, here the product is open, and you can see you can use a 300 yuan coupon. Just you just get 300 yuan coupon, and you can press this coupon. So after that, the price will be 300 less. When you want to buy this product, you can see the price is the original price is 599, but you can buy it with 299. Here in this way you can make coupon by your own. Or I'll show another thing like this. I have some product in my cart, like this t-shirt. uh, I just like this t-shirt, and this original price is 158 to 165. So you just go to share option, just copy the link. Okay, I just copy the link and open the Taobao coupon app. After coupon app, the apps will automatically show that you have copied something from the Taobao. Just press the red button. Then you can see the original price is 158, but you get 100 yuan less from this app. So in this way you can just go press the middle button, and you can also buy this in so cheap price. See, I just open the Taobao, and here 100 yuan coupon. And you can do another thing. You can earn money from it by doing this. Just go to the coupon app, and then see you can share. Here's the share option. After you can share it in WeChat. See, here's the coupon. Here's the coupon you just make. If someone scan this QR code, they can easily buy this product with 58 yuan. And after someone buy this product from scanning your coupon, you can easily earn money. Let me show you. If someone buy this from your coupon, you can see here in the left uh, side, it's 8.99 yuan. If someone buy this with by scanning your coupon, you just can earn 8.99 yuan. In this way I can show you something like this. I already sell so many products here. Um, See, these products, I someone just buy this cake from scanning my coupon, and I get 0.24 yuan. And like this way I can easily earn money. You can withdraw this money in Alipay. So you can, after opening this app, you can also share your apps, share your refer code to someone to earn. Also you can also money from it. So that's it. In this way you can earn money, and you can get lots of coupon discount in Taobao. Thank you everyone for wasting your time.